Well, won't be getting any love today, will it? But perhaps one day I'll get back to that project. That's one of mine. So, yeah, back of the queue, eh? But projects, the Mistral's coming on well. That arch is all welded in. That inner tub and so on. Just sorting out the bumper. And then we've got a bumper iron bracket to go in. So this bit's got to go in. And obviously that's got to be lined up nicely. Which it seems to be. Seems to be working quite well. So that's got to go in there like that. And then that hole, obviously going to line up with that bolt. Which it does. So that'll be alright, won't it? But what a joy the sun's out though, eh? Makes it all worthwhile, doesn't it? Seems a lot better for it. Obviously I've got this front end stuff to deal with, but I want to finalise that first. It's looking good, isn't it? I reckon that's all right.